Beautiful song from the 90s, one of my favorites, brings a tear to my eye sometimes, and I'm going to teach you how to play it. They're unusual chords. It's going to be a B, so I'll start with the chords that people know, and then if you don't know the chords, I'll break it down. But for people that know your chords, it's going to be B, so it's standard E tuning. It's going to be on the 7th fret E string, and then you're going to mute the A strings. So you're going to hit the B there, and then open D, then you're going to hit the... forget what note that is. Well, you can look it up later, but it's going to be the pinky ring 7th fret G string, and then everything else rings out. So the A string's muted, so it'll sound like this. Make sure everything rings out clean. And then it's going to be a D over F sharp. So it's going to be the middle finger on the 2nd fret E string. Same exact chord shape, just on the 2nd fret. You just literally just slide from 7 to 2. And then it's going to be a G after that. So you go up a half step to the G on the middle finger on the E string, 3rd fret. Mute the A string like before. Everything else is going to be the exact same, except you're going to move this ring finger up to the 4th fret G string. And it should sound like this. And then the same exact chord shape, slide it up to the 5th fret. Which is an A chord. And then back to the B. And then it's going to go for the pre-chorus to an A sus, which we learned in my first guitar lesson. It's an A sus2 chord. To the G major. If you don't know A sus2 and G major, I have videos for those. Go back to the very first guitar. It'll say your first guitar lesson, and I teach you A sus2. And then I have another video for the G major chord. To a D major, which I have a video for that. Back to the A sus. And it does this little dance on the D major. So it just drops the pinky down on the 3rd fret E string, and then lifts up on the middle finger on the 2nd fret E string, which I talk about in my D major chord video. So let's take it from the top of the chorus.
So I walk upon high, and I step to the edge, see my world below, and I laugh at myself.
And then it does a little B to a C, so it goes from the A back to the G. So I'll go.
And I walk upon high, step to the edge, to see the world below, and I laugh at myself while the tears roll down. Just the world I know, yes, the world I know. To the A, step to the edge,
To the G.
see the world.
Back to the D.
And I laugh at myself,
To the B.
to the C, back to the G. It's the world I know. And I walk by, step to the edge, to see the world below. And I laugh at myself
And then there is a final outro piece, a C section we like to call it. So this is A, the verse is A, the chorus is B, and then there's a C outro part. And it does the same thing. So it does the D major to like an F sharp over D, but the same chord in the second verse, but you drop your your ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. So it should sound like. So that A string's muted. So pointer finger on the 2nd fret E string, A string is muted with the piece of skin on that finger there, barely touches the string to mute it. The D's open. You drop your middle finger on the 2nd fret G string, just like the second verse chords, or the verse chords, the D over F sharp chord, and then you drop that ring finger down on the 3rd fret B string, so it should sound like this. It's called a D over F sharp, and then to the G major. On the G. And that's it, man. Leave a comment below if you want to learn more. I do private lessons. You can hit me up on Instagram. It's at Justin Salter on Instagram, or you can drop a comment, or I have a Calendly link here. But yeah, first lesson's $20 for 30 minutes, and then it's $1 a minute after that. But no pressure. I'm just doing these for fun. It's basically a hobby at this point, but I'm having fun. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Like I said, please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more. I have a playlist for different things, beginners, intermediate, and advanced stuff. And that's basically it, man. Peace and love. Bye.